We've just acquired this lovely rare Jag XF 2.2 diesel R Sport estate, silver with anthracite alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear, park distance control and camera. Electric tailgate. It's got the rear load cover. Boot in absolutely superb condition throughout. It's got Alcantara half leather trim. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Paddle shift for the gearbox. Paddle shift on the gearbox, cruise control, reverse camera, satellite navigation, Bluetooth phone prep, so it's absolutely lovely. So 108,494 miles. At DJH, with full dealer facilities, including warranty, part exchange and finance. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.